Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to the Linguistics Hub. I'm your host Dr. Nasir Mahmood. Have you noticed how English sounds a kind of bouncy, but Urdu and Arabic sound smooth and even? That's not just the accent, it's rhythm. It's called stress timed versus syllable timed. And if you are learning English or any other language, it can really help you speak and understand it better. Now, let's talk about some basics. Will all languages have rhythm, just like a heartbeat or walking steps? English is a stress timed, whereas Urdu and Arabic are syllable timed languages. In English, we speak certain words more strongly than others. Why? Because they are important in terms of conveying meanings. These include content words such as nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. Other words are structure words that convey ideas or define relationships. These include pronouns, helping verbs, articles, prepositions, and conjunctions. Now let's try to understand it with some examples. I'm going to speak a couple of sentences and you have to find out which words I stress and which ones I leave unstressed. Ready? Take the child for a walk. Again, take the child for a walk. If you have noticed that I stressed take, child, and walk, you are correct. Another example, make a cake for the party. Make a cake for the party. If you observed that I stressed make, cake, and party, and left a, for, and the unstressed, then you are again correct. Now, what about Urdu and Arabic languages? In fact, in these languages, every syllable gets about the same time, just like a clock. A steady tick, tick, tick. But English doesn't go like tick, tick, tick. It usually goes like dada, 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 and sometimes da-da, da-da, da-da. That is rhythm. Now, what's the difference in the sounds of these languages? In English, sentence like he is going to the market sounds like he's going to the market. We squish small words, only, going, and market are strong. But if we look at the same sentence in Urdu or Arabic, the situation is quite different. Take, for example, the Urdu sentence, वो बाजार जा रहा है. Every word, every syllable, same rhythm. And same goes for Arabic. هو يذهب إلى السوق. هو يذهب إلى السوق. Even rhythm, no jumps. So, when Urdu or Arabic speakers speak in English, they may say every word equally, but native English speakers don't. And when English speakers try Arabic or Urdu, they may rush it, skipping syllables. That is rhythm mismatch. So why does this matter? Because when you are speaking English like a syllable timed language, it can sound flat or robotic. And when you are listening, you might miss certain words, particularly fast ones. But if you learn the rhythm, stress important words, and say small words quickly and use the bounds, you will sound way more natural. Try this. I am going to the market. Looks stiff, but I'm going to the market. Sounds real, and that is stress timings. Remember, every language has its own rhythm. English is bouncy, Urdu and Arabic are smooth. English is jazz, and the other two with a steady drum beat. So, if your English feels weird, maybe it's not your grammar, it's rhythm. Follow the right rhythm, not tick, 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 and you will sound great. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.